First, you'll need to open the hood. There's a small latch right here underneath your dash. Pull it forward to pop your hood. Right in the middle of the front of the hood, there is a small latch. You'll have to pull it to the right and lift up to open your hood. This is your coolant reservoir. If the engine is hot, you'll want to wait for this to cool down. Never open this container when it's hot. This needs to be checked first thing in the morning before starting or after it's been sitting for plenty of time to cool off. But to check it, you'll open this cap. If you need to add any, you don't actually need to open this one just to check the level, but you'll need to open it to fill it. The fill line, you should see coolant in the reservoir, and this line here where the ridge seam is for the tank is the full mark. As long as it has some in it, it's fine to drive, but this is the mark that you want it to be at to be full.